Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Tech and Web.
Looking for the perfect blend of style, convenience, and functionality on your next ride? A high-quality motorcycle tail bag is the ultimate game-changer for riders who crave extra storage without compromising on speed or aesthetics. Whether you're hitting the open road for a weekend adventure or commuting through the city, the right tail bag keeps your gear secure, your essentials within reach, and your bike looking sleek. In this guide, we'll dive into the best motorcycle tail bags that offer rugged durability, weather resistance, and smart design. Because when it comes to two-wheeled travel, your journey deserves the best. Number 1. Rhinowalk Motorcycle Travel Luggage. Gear up for any journey with the Rhinowalk 35L expandable motorcycle tail bag. Crafted from waterproof, all-weather material, it keeps your gear safe in any condition. Its sleek, matte black design and sissy bar straps offer style, security, and easy mounting. Perfect for travel, commutes, or weekend rides. Ride smarter, pack better. Number 2. ROCKBROS EVA Hardshell Motorcycle Tail Bag. The ROCKBROS EVA Hardshell Motorcycle Tail Bag is built for tough rides and all-weather protection. With an expandable 20-liter 35-liter capacity, it easily fits helmets, tools, and travel gear. Its rigid waterproof shell keeps your items safe, dry, and secure in any conditions. Designed to fit most motorcycles, it mounts quickly and doubles as a backpack with shoulder straps. Sleek, durable, and versatile, this is the perfect luggage upgrade for every serious rider. Number 3. Niche Motorcycle Tail Bag. The Niche 31L Motorcycle Tail Bag, NMO 2308, is a versatile and secure storage solution for riders. With its dual-use design, it can be mounted on the rear seat or tank, accommodating full helmets and essentials. The bag features a built-in TSA-approved lock for added security and is crafted from durable waterproof materials, including a rain cover, to protect your belongings in all weather conditions. Its rigid structure ensures it maintains its shape, and adjustable straps provide a snug fit on various motorcycle models. Whether you're commuting or embarking on an adventure, this tail bag offers practical storage with peace of mind. Number 4. Grapelet Motorcycle Tail Bag. The Grapelet Motorcycle Tail Bag Backpack is a versatile and durable storage solution for riders seeking both functionality and style. With an expandable capacity ranging from 24 liters to 35 liters, it offers ample space for your gear, including helmets and other essentials. The hard-shell design ensures protection against deformation and wear, while the waterproof exterior, complemented by an additional rain cover, keeps your belongings dry in various weather conditions. Its dual-use versatility allows it to be mounted on the saddle or used as a backpack, with the included shoulder strap, making it suitable for both short commutes and long rides. Number 5. Nelson Rigg CL1060S2 Tail Bag. The Nelson Rigg CL1060S2 Commuter Sport Tail Bag is a sleek, expandable solution, perfect for daily rides or weekend escapes. Made with UV-resistant Ultramax fabric and waterproof protection, it keeps your gear safe and your bike looking sharp.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.